Guys, today I will discuss to you about the summary of my chapter 12 report. So, good day guys. Today the chapter 12 WLAN concept will be our summarized. Wireless NIEC. Wireless deployment require the minimum of two devices to the radio transmitter and radio receiver tune requirements. To communicate wirelessly, laptops, tablets, smartphones, and even the latest automobile include integrated wireless NIC. In every smartphone or communicate wirelessly, there is always an NIC because network interface card. Wireless home router. A wireless home router commonly implemented a small business from the residential wireless access device. From the home, we have the Wi-Fi, we have the packet Wi-Fi's for use for the wireless home routers. Wireless access point. While range is extender, easy to get and configure, best solution would install another wireless access point. AP categories. These are the standalone devices configured using command line interface from GUI. Wireless antenna. Omnidirectional antenna such as one shown in the figure is 360 coverage of the ideal in houses. 8.80.2 wireless topology modes. Wireless LANs accommodate various network topologies. The 802.11 standard identifies two main wireless topology modes: ADHOAC mode and infrastructure mode. Next is the BSS. A BSS consists of single AP interconnecting also associated wireless clients. The two BSS shown in the figures. 8.802.11 frame structure. Frame control. This identifies the wireless frame contains the subfields for the protocol version, frame type, and address type for the management and security setting. Next is the duration. This typically used to indicate the remaining duration needed to receive the next frame transmission. Address 1 contain the MAC address receiving wireless device from the AP. Address 2 usually contains MAC address of the transmitting wireless AP. Next, address 3 sometimes contains the MAC address for the destination such as the router interface or the default gateway. Next, the sequence control. This contains the information to control sequence fragmented frames. Address 4 usually missing because it is usually the HOC mode. Payload. This contains the data from the transmission. Next, CSMA or CA. It is a shared media configuration, half duplex of the any client transmitted or received in a given moment. Wireless client and AP association. SSID. SSID's name appears in the least available wireless network on a client. In largest organization, a multiple VLAN connected segment is traffic. Password. This is required from the wireless client authentication to the AP. Network mode. This refers to the 802.11 and AP's wireless router can cooperate the mixed mode, meaning to the simultaneous support clients. Security mode refers to the parameter settings such as WEP, WPA, and WPA2. Channel setting refers to the sequence of band and use transmitted wireless data, wireless router, and AP scan channel to the radio frequency channel automatically. Passive and active discover mode. The active discover is a passive mode from the AP openly advertised. Its service is periodically sending to the broadcast beacon and from frames SSID. In active mode, wireless client must known for the SSID and the wireless client initiate the problem broadcasting Adobe. Split MAC architecture. AP MAC function. WLC MAC function. DTLS encryption is the protocol to provide security between AP and WLC. Tech connects APs. There are the two modes of the operation: Flex AP, connected mode, and the standalone. From the connected, this is the unreachable. From the connected is reachable, and for the standalone is unreachable. Frequency channel saturation, channel selection, plan 1 deployment. Wireless security overview. There are the interception of data, wireless intruders, denial of service attacks, and rogue apps. DOS attacks. There are the properly configured, malicious user intentionally interfering wireless communication, accidental interference. There are the rogue access point and main in the metal attack. So that's all for the chapter